Daleville Schools. One-story home with walk-out basement. Rolling .70 acre lot located on Dead-End Street. Large living room with wood-burning fireplace and built-in shelving/cabinets. Eat-in kitchen with abundant cabinets. Sunroom features new laminate flooring, pan/wood ceiling, and ceiling fan/light. Replacement windows throughout. Seller believes there is hardwood flooring under carpeting in bedrooms and living room, not guaranteed. Utility room connects the garage to the kitchen. Full bath located off utility room. Main bath with double sinks, tile walls, and tub/shower combo is located off the bedroom hallway. Basement is divided into 3 areas. Area 1 is a rec room with wood-burning fireplace, Area 2 is workshop/mechanical room, and Area 3 is the 4-car garage, end-to-end parking. 2-car attached garage on main level, 4-car attached garage basement level, and pole barn provide ample storage space. Boiler heating system and registers are not functional. Electric baseboard heat in sunroom for additional heat. Soon to be connected to city sewer. See associated docs for more information.